What's going on with Facebook Reels? Why they tripping? What's going on with Facebook Reels? In this video, we're going to talk about the Facebook Reels updates. Now, when they first started the Facebook Reels program, we were able to make up to $35,000 in 30 days. Now, since time has passed, more and more people have got on board with Facebook Reels, and now it's to where they have new rules and regulations for Facebook Reels. The rules have changed. The game has changed. Facebook is saying right now the requirements are we need at least 5 Reels uploaded within the past 30 days. We need 100,000 views over the past 30 days. And we need to be in the US. And our account must be at least 30 days old. So once you hit all of those requirements, you'll be eligible to get monetized with Facebook Reels. So it's not the same anymore. It's getting harder and harder and harder and harder. So you have to really put in the time and effort to get those views over your Reels. And I'm hearing that the challenges are no longer in effect. I don't know because I haven't been renewed for this time yet. So I'm hearing that people are not getting the challenges anymore. So guys, I'll keep you updated and let you know what's going on with my Facebook Reels. But right now I'm hearing that it's getting harder and harder and harder. So you want to monetize your content across multiple platforms and position yourself with the best platform that works for your type of business. Don't forget to check out the Content to Profits Blueprint if you want to learn how to turn your content into profits. And the link will be in the description or above or below this video. So have a great one. Bye-bye.